celebrate Republic Day to honor the day on which the Constitution of India came into effect, replacing the Government of India Act 1935 and making India a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic and republic. Poverty, illiteracy, corruption, social evil. We must take a bold decision to free us from this small tribal matter and look forward and march toward to reach our goal as we celebrate the 17th Republic Day.